Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Stock Explorer. I am Arup and together we will embark on an exciting journey to discover hidden gem stocks with potential to shine brightly in the future. Today I shall introduce you to NCC Ltd. Shall introduce Today I shall introduce you to NCC Ltd, our feature picked for this session. This company more or less aligned with my 6 criteria for identifying promising stocks, including strong financial, growth prospect, competitive advantages, and market dynamics. However, I must emphasize that investing in this stock requires thorough analysis and research. I conduct in-depth investigation analyzing their financials, growth prospects, and market dynamics. Our goal is to identify companies that have the potential to generate substantial return for investor. Coming back to our 6 criteria, it has a good ROE 10% and ROCE 19.81%. Comparing to its kind of industry, it is moderate. It is fairly priced at 149 rupees at a PB ratio of 1.52. Its current debt is 980 crores with a debt to equity ratio 0.16. It has no place share. Public holding is 43.5%. Out of 43.5%, 15% share belongs to individual investor. You can go and check the big names in the shareholding pattern. You can refer BSE sites and check it. Both sales and profit is increasing year on year basis. Sales at 40% and 26%. The profit growth is happened last year. Business has less risk. However, like any other investment, NCC Limited face certain risk and uncertainties regarding fluctuation in earning, the company's ability to attract and retain high skilled professional, times and cost overrun on contracts, and government policies, etc. etc. Stay tuned as we uncover NCC Limited hidden potential and explore its growth prospects. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel to support this enlightening journey. Thank you for being a part of it. Before we proceed further, I want to present this disclaimer. I am not a SEBI registered or authorized stock analyst. My analysis is based on stock performance data and trends from recent companies report along with various business magazine and sources. Please note, this is solely my personal study. I do not recommend you to invest based on it. I strongly advise you to consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. I put a lot of time into researching companies' data, and your support means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on this enlightening journey. Thank you for being a part of it. Let's take a closer look at NCC Limited. Uh, and its business. They specialize in construction project including roads, building, irrigation, and more. They have been in the business of airport also. They also have interested in road and energy project through their subsidiary NCC Infrastructure Infrastructure Holding Limited, that is one subsidiary, and real estate through NCC Urban Infrastructure. These are the two subsidiaries. NCC has a presence in Middle East through subsidiaries in Muscat and Dubai. NCC boasts a strong order book of project reflecting a healthy pipeline of work and highest ever order book in their history. Now, let us delve into some key fundamental. NCC maintain a low debt to EBITDA ratio of 0.97 times, indicating a healthy financial position. Their net sales grew at 26.59% in March 23, showing consistent performance. They have posted positive result for last 7 consecutive quarters. NCC's return on capital employed stands at 19.81% and return on equity at 10%. Both solid indicators of their financial strength. They manage their inventory and debt debtor efficiently, with the highest inventory turnover ratio at 11.32 times and highest debtors turnover ratio at 4.9 times. With a PEG ratio of 0.25, the company seems undervalued relative to its growth perspective. Institutional holding are high at 34.75%, indicating confidence in the company. The stock's P ratio is 15.11, comparing favorable to industry P of 35.27, and its price to book value ratio is 1.52. These fundamental indicators, along with robust order book, paints a promising picture for NCC Limited potential growth in the market. Let us go to the next. This is the cut paste from the NCC financial report annual, which they presented for stockholders or investor. Let go through the highlights of this financial year FY23. They have highest ever annual order inflow of rupees 25,895 crores, showcasing strong demand for their service. Order book crosses the significant rupees 50,000 crore mark for the first time, indicating a healthy pipeline of projects. Reported highest ever consolidated profit after tax of rupees 609 crores, demonstrating a robust financial performance. Successfully brought down debt level below 1,000, strengthening their financial position. Declaring the highest ever dividend of 110%, rewarding their shareholders for their investment. Achieve a lower book to bill ratio of 2.98, indicating efficient project execution and strong future prospect. Let's go. This is the 4 cut and paste from their same report. In financial year 2023, NCC witnessed a remarkable growth in the order book. Recorded the highest order book growth at the impressive 113%, reflecting increased demand for their services. The order book expanded by 28%, indicating a strong pipeline of project in the future. Achieved the highest ever average order book size of 578 crores, showcasing their capability to secure large projects. This bottom two part is the standalone and consolidated year ending result. Here you can find revenue surged by 35%, primarily led by the building division with a notable project like Jala Nigam project of UP, ITC, New Delhi, Lucknow Airport, etc. EBITDA increased by 35% again from 996 crore to 1343 crores, reflecting improved operational performance. PAT, excluding exceptional items, witnessed an impressive 65% increase compared to the previous year corresponding quarter. This growth was primarily driven by higher turnover, volume and increase in other income of rupees 44 crores, stemming from a capital gains on the sale of investment property. These you can pause the video and go through. You can find it out. There was sheer growth in this. One thing I would like to note that subsidiaries also started performing, unlike their shattering to 2022, where they have posted a negative result, negative profit of minus 7.7 crores, and this is the first time value addition to their bottom line by subsidiary companies of rupees 40 crores. Let me, although it is not here, but let me tell you, their credit rating had increased from A to A plus based on overall improvement of balance sheet as at 31st March 2023 and expecting further improvement. Gross debt of the company is 980 crores for the year ending 31st March 2023. Debt to equity ratio, which I already told, that 0.16. This is their key performance indicator in graphical position. You must have noticed that till financial year 2020, they got a erosion in their turnover, although profit have been maintained. In fact, debt is also quite high, but of post 2021, they have been posting growth continuously, and they are maintaining it, sustaining it. Although their profit margin, which has to some extent depend on the input price and other factors, had a little bit reduced, but they got a healthy order book. You can see that they have a trend of reducing their debt. Okay, current debt is I said 980 crores. It is here. It is showing 974, approximately like this. Let's go to the next. They are basically I demonstrate their price movement for 1 year. In next slide, I will be demonstrating the 3 years chart also. In my past video, you know how I demonstrate it. The blue line is the price movement, and yellow line is their 50 days moving average, and black line is the 200 day moving average. So you can see that it was growth is their price movement is sustained, barring few places where there is a sharp down and up. Okay, but however, if you see that it has a constant movement from 60 rupees to 143, whatever it is the price is, it has moved gradually, not much of ups and downs. Here also you can see they have been growing it, but as you see, uh, there they have lost a little bit of market confidence over here. So it dipped till August 22. Then it started moving upward. In fact, this has happened for most construction segment. So if you want to study it, you can go to the screener or your other portal where you can study their chart. But the purpose of this is just um, uh, to note the movement of the share stock price and support and resistance level and overall trend. Use this information to make informed decision in your investment journey. So you always refer the chart where to invest and what time to invest and what time to come out from the stock. All depends on this. So I'll not discuss much about this because I am not I don't encourage short term investment. So that ups and downs for a momentarily ups and downs doesn't matter for me. Uh, Here is the concluding slide where we will compare NCC Limited with its peer. As you all know, I color green for the best value for each parameter, such as lowest P, lowest PB, debt, PEG ratio, as well as the highest holding ratios. Uh, these will help you assess how NCC Limited position itself among its competition. So you can check it out. You can pause it and note all these parameters. Lot of well-known companies are over here, but however, NCC Limited had demonstrated a strong performance with high sales and profit growth and a robust order book and a favorable comparison with peers. Company's revenue and EBITDA increased significantly in financial year 2023, driven by successful project in buildings division, with its order book crossing 50,000 crore for the first time and an impressive 113% order booking growth. NCC shows promising prospect, and considering these factors, stock is worth keeping on the watch list for potential investment opportunities. Please remember, this analysis is for informational purpose only. I strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decision. Your support is essential to keep this channel running. Please like, comment and share to promote and motivate my effort in this journey. Thanking you for watching my channel, and I wish you all a wonderful day and have may God bless you all.